Continue here. See, in the previous class, we discussed what is a string, that is collection of sequence of characters enclosed either in single quotes or in double quotes. Same only, but we have started with double quote and with double quote. Okay, this is what we discussed. And if a string is computer science or informatics practices. Okay, so how do we access a content of string, like characters, substring, or a part of a string? So if you want to get the 0th character with a subscript, that is square brackets, within square brackets, we give the number. So forward indexing starts from 0 till length of the string -1. Negative indexing starts from -1, that is in the rightmost character, -1 to minus length of the string. Right. So now let me show you how to get the reverse of the string using slice operators. Okay, so in the previous class we discussed that, but as Aman Raj or someone else is asking doubt, no, so we will, I will once again show you how to get a, see, for example, C is equal to computer, okay. So C is equal to computer. You all can see, children. Is it visible to you or the?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now it is more clear, I think. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Six more people have to, seven more people have to join still. Yeah, I open this one. Okay, C equal to computer. Now, if I display C, 0th character, what is displayed? Okay, C, first character, what is displayed? Single character is retrieved from there. C, 0 to, I haven't mentioned anything. So what will be coming? Till the end. Okay, everything will come. Suppose if you want to get from -1 to, so then -1 say beginning tak jana hai. So in which direction? Negative direction we should go. Now what do we get? Reverse we will get. ऐसा नॉमन समझ में आ गया? Aman, are you there? What happened to Aman?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
आ गए समझ में? सुमित समझ में आ गया बेटा? See,
Yes, ma'am.
if I'm doing in the interactive way, immediately I'll get the result. So then no need of writing print command. The same thing if you want to write it within a program. Okay, so now what should I display? Print C in the reverse direction. So -1 सिर्फ डाल दिया तो क्या होगा? -1 से आगे देख लेंगे. -1 is R. R के राइट में क्या है? What is there? Nothing is there. No. So आगे नहीं जाना, पीछे जाना है. So पीछे जाने के लिए what is the step? -1. Every previous character. Okay, ma. So now if you display and see what is the result we will get in the reverse direction. R, E, T, U, P, M, O. Got it, children? Okay, string operations. You can see same result, yes or no? So this is from this program. This is interactive way of doing. Is it clear to everyone? So there is another way, that is traversal for I in range of 0 to whatever the range, length of L, length of C. So length of C means total number of characters. Okay. So range function also, it will take the starting character. Okay. So character by character if you want to display. Now you can see. So I is the index. Okay. So what is the value? What is the index here? I. Ith index ka, what is the value at that index? So what should I write here? Tell me, children. What is the value at that location? How do I get? C within square
7.
brackets I. Okay, ma'am. So now let me explain and show you. Now you can see 0th index. What is the value? C. Value O. Like that, we got all the values. So if you have taken length of C, right? The same manner, if you want to get in the reverse order, so range कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे बताओ? -1 से शुरू करेंगे till where? 0 तक. ठीक है? -1 to otherwise minus length of C. What is the step? -1. Print Ci. Okay, otherwise same statement I write. Got it? -1 में क्या है? R. -2 में क्या है? -3 में क्या है? T. -4 में U. -5 P. -6 M. -7 O. But C did not come. Why? Minus length of C तक ही लिखा है, तो that is not included. So और एक -1 करेंगे, ठीक है? Now we got everything. Yes, in the reverse direction also we got. Yes, just if I print CI, okay, what is the separator? Separated by space. No need of any space also. So then just I'm putting it a comma, right? Comment here or forward index. Now you can see, children. Got it? Forward string is computer, reverse string is in the reverse order. But if you want to terminate every print statement by a new line, so just is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Any doubt here, children? Are you all there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. समझ में आ गया? किसी को doubt है? Any doubt you can ask me.
मैम
So,
वो आई, मैम आई इंडेक्स है क्या मीनिंग?
yes, ma. I is the index. What is the range of that index? 0 से शुरू करके length include नहीं करना, length से एक छोटा, like less than length. Okay, that much we should do.
Okay, ma'am.
Range function also. See, even if you take slice operator, starting value is inclusive, whereas top index is not inclusive. Na? Same thing in the range. Okay, but here range में हम ना separated by comma डालेंगे, whereas in the slicing we separate by colon.
मैम हमें कमेंट डालना जरूरी है क्या उसमें?
Comment मतलब I don't want to display this, so I made it as comment.
Okay.
It's not a compulsory. Comments are whatever portion you don't want to execute.
Okay.
Understood? Yes. So we'll proceed to see some other functions on strings, right? Comparison of strings. Okay, greater than, less than, all those things. So now this range function is. Have you all understood? Okay, right. Suppose if you don't want to
Could you
index.
repeat it once more? Ma'am, I joined late because of network problems.
Yeah, correct. Okay, so now nothing much we discussed, just this much only we discussed. Range function. Range function also is similar to this slicing only. Just like first value, whatever we give, that is inclusive. Second value is not inclusive. That is, second value says smaller value is included. Okay, and then third value is kind of step. So for I in range of, see, whatever the index, so whatever, see, for I in range, जब range देते हैं ना, so within this range these values are generated, no? So first I value will be 0, next I value will be as long as it is less than length of C, it will be incrementing. Okay, by default step is 1, no? So 0 के बाद क्या होगा? 1, next it is 2, next it is 3, and so on up to less than length of C.
Ma'am, less than length of C, 7.
Yeah, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8, na, length. Yeah, so less than length of C is 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 0th character, C0 is C, C7 is R. So C7 tak aapko separated, no termination. It should be coming in the same line. For that, end equal to space space nahi, single quotes just I have given. No separate character here. Okay, so if you have not given this, what will happen? It will come in next line. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it will come in next line. So here I am making it comment. That means this portion I don't want to execute. So now you can see the result. It will be coming in the next line. Yes or no? So if you want it in the same line, what I have done? I have done end equal to just a single quote. Okay. So reverse string. यहाँ से okay. So reverse string is in the next line I want it. So backslash n I can use. Can see backslash n is for next line. Forward string, next reversing. Previously reverse string also joined because the end equal to we have given the single inverted commas. This much is clear to everyone. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to display, if you want to see what is the index, that is I is the index. Indexes we have generated using range function, and then value at that index. How do we get? C within square brackets. C is the string name, and within square brackets that index. Okay, so this is one way of doing it, right? Another way how we can do is for I in C, directly C. So that means this I value is from the beginning of the, it is traversing directly through the value of C. That is first I value hoga C, next I value hoga O, next I value hoga M. Okay, so then how do we display? Print I. Okay, ma'am. Print I. So now what will be displayed? What will be the output here, children? Computer. You can see, no? Forward string is. See, forward string के बाद जो भी for loop हमने लिखा है. So computer आ गया. Next. Index and ci and equal to 0. Then, okay. Okay, so that character and then index value, then that character and index value I say again. So it will be, so to avoid that confusions only, I made this comment so that, yeah, you can easily see this. Computer. So now the same thing has come. Yes or no? Can you observe, children? See, directly if range function is not used, directly if a variable is given, so it will be traversing through the values of that variable. Okay. So for I in C, C is having multiple characters. So first it will take C, not the 0. Okay. Here this I is C. Are you all following, children? Now let me show
Yes,
only
ma'am.
this much to you. Then it will be okay. Now you can see this print also. Now you can see no forward string is computer. The same thing if you want to get it in the same line. So every print statement by default it will terminate by a new line. So we don't want to terminate it by a new line. Instead we want to end with a just blank, no blank also. Okay. So then you will get output like this. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Now
Yes,
let us come. Yeah. Now let us compare two strings. Okay. So how do we compare using greater than, less than, equal to, less than? So it is a dictionary order, lexicographic ordering. Na? So now let us take one more string. C1 is equal to, okay, computer. Are they both same? Yes or no? Print C equal to C1. So what will be displayed? Double equal to. Double equal to मतलब क्या है? Comparison. Both are equal to means true. Both are not equal to means false. So both are equal to or not equal to? Dimple? Dimple, can you answer me? Dimple, can you answer me?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, here C1 is computer, C is also computer. Now just I want to display whether both are equal or not. So this equal to, double equal to.
Ma'am, they are not equal.
They are not equal. So what must be the result? True or false?
False.
Very good. So now let me see it and show you. Now you can see the children. False. Correct or not? So very good, Dimple. Now what is the difference? Here it is capital C, here it is small c. Now let me make both capital C. Now it is true or false? True. Okay. आगे समझ में सबको, right? So if you are printing C equal to C1, that means the result of this comparison, true or false, will be displayed. Now let me take this as small c only. Okay, so now it is greater than or equal to. Capital C is bigger, small c is big as the value. Small letters have bigger values than capital letters, children. So greater than or equal to is wrong. So false. Smaller than, because capital C is bigger, small c is smaller. Small c is bigger as the value, capital C is smaller. So then C less than. Correct or not? It is true. Okay, so that way even if you here both variables I have taken. So if you want to compare with some other string, okay, that also can be done. Is it clear to everyone, children? Are you all there with me? Yes, that is string
Yes, ma'am.
comparison. Next, suppose if you want to like add something to the string. Okay, C plus sign. Okay, let me do some D equal to C plus signs. Now print D. What will happen? What happened? Have you all observed? What happened, children? Respond.
I'm computer with science.
I'm
Science.
computer science.
साइंस क्या हुआ? कंकैटनेट हो गया.
It got
Okay.
added.
So whatever the existing string, to that it is attached. अगर स्पेस भी अटैच करना है तो स्पेस डालेंगे. ठीक है. आगे आगे समझ में. So प्लस से क्या होता है? If C is a string, प्लस से अनदर स्ट्रिंग को ऐड कर सकते हैं. अब देखिए D is अभी स्ट्रिंग हो गया ना. D इक्वल टू अगर हमने किया है okay okay some other value I'm taking D plus 5. So now ये को print करना चाहती हूँ. ठीक है. So now what will happen? What is the result, children? Now you can see. What is the error? Type error. What type of error? D is a string type. 5 is integer. So it cannot join together. If this 5 is within the inverted commas, then 5 is also alphanumeric character. It is also like an alphabet only. Then it can be added. But if it is a number, we cannot join. Is it clear to everyone? प्लस के बाद सी स्ट्रिंग्स के ऊपर प्लस ऑपरेशन जब करते हैं आपको ध्यान देना है numbers cannot be added in the format of numbers, either integer or floating point, any number. It cannot be added as it is. It has to be converted into textual format, string format. Okay, then only we can concatenate. It is not arithmetic addition. Is it clear to everyone? So if you are trying to do that, what will happen? Type error. String cannot be concatenated with integer. Okay, is it clear to everyone? So now let's do, suppose if you want to replicate, print, okay, so C multiplied by 3, what will happen? So this is not multiplication, instead it is replication. Replication means making copies of it, repetition. So now how many times C is displayed? C is computer. So computer, computer, computer. How many times it is displayed, children? How many times it is displayed?
Ma'am,
3 times.
3 times.
ma'am,
Very
can I
good. You can see? So multiplication. Plus से क्या होता है? Concatenation होता है. Plus is for concatenation. Okay. Whereas star is for replication, repetition. How many times you want to repeat? Okay, so print C multiplied by 5. So what will happen? How many times you will get here? First print statement में आपको result कैसे आएगा? 5 times computer. Next आपको आएगा forward string. Next आपको आएगा ये for loop का output. Next आपको आएगा print का result. ठीक है? अब देखते हैं execute करके. So how many times computer should come? First line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times आ गया? आ गया समझ में? Multiplication of strings means, see now suppose if you want to do something like print C multiplied by A. Okay, another string. Then what will happen, children? Can someone guess?
Computer science से.
Computer science ये आएगा. Multiplication, it is not plus. Plus is only will take concatenation. That means adding at the end. But here what do we get? Let me execute and show you. What is that error? Cannot multiply non-integer. Got it? Addition में integer से नहीं होता है. Multiplication में string से नहीं होता है. ठीक है? Here it is expecting an integer. Here it is expecting a string. Here it is expecting a string. Is it clear to everyone? Understood? Pushwan, समझ में आ गया बेटा? Shiva,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
happened? Network issue. Still 10 more students have to join, children. It's really... Any doubts, children? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Replication कब होगा? Multiplication के बाद एक integer value दिया तो replication होगा. ठीक है? Say for example, if I have to, so if I am giving a floating point value, okay, so here only I'll give top will give. So first output will be the whatever we are expecting that. Okay, so suppose 5.5 I have given. Then what is the output you will get, children? The output, if I have written C multiplied by 5.5, 1.5. What do we get, children?
Ma'am, computer with half of computer.
No, only integers it will take for replication now. Okay, अब याद रखिए. So only integers it will take for replication. Here it will generate one error. You see, error आ गया. Cannot multiply sequence by non-integer of type float. Okay, so that you keep in your mind. Got it, children? So strings operations just we have seen now. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain the computer science 5.1? I'm not getting.
When you are doing string operations with integers, so it should be integer. 1.5 is not integer, no, it is floating point value, no. Got it, Chair? It is decimal, right?
No, ma'am. E is equal to D plus 5.1, ma'am. I'm not getting that.
This one is just if I have
Yes,
done
ma'am.
with integers, what do we get? You will get error, ma'am. Because D is a string, 5 is an integer. So addition is not possible. If you want to have this file at the end of the previous string, concatenation के लिए पहले इसको भी string जैसा convert करना है. ठीक है? So normal 5 means 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Addition, multiplication कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. But this is not a numerical 5, no, it is textual 5. Okay, so KKK 1, 2, 3, 5 written. 1, 2, 3 is not 123. Is it clear? Yes or no? If car number is there or any vehicle number is there, in that numbers are there. KF, I1N, something like that it is there. So that is not 51, no. आगे समझ में उसको कुछ arithmetic operations नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay, are you all following? आगे ही समझ में सबको, right? So here, if you want to concatenate a string with another string, not with an integer. If you want to replicate, that is repeat the same string, multiplication symbol, after that one integer. Okay, it must be integer, then only those many times it will replicate. If you give like this will generate error. And if you give like this will generate error. And if you give like print C plus 5 or any number also, this will give error. Okay, children? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So concatenation is to add two strings, not adding one string, one number, one complex number, one Boolean value, nothing like that. Two strings only should be there. Okay, replication means one string and an integer. Okay, so then character of the string, how do we get? A within square brackets, what is the index? So it will give you value at that index. Then range slice, how do we get? So from 1, not include 4. Okay, less than 4, that all the index values should be displayed. Then, so now if you want to check the whether some string is there in, suppose some A is equal to PUC. Okay, so now some B is equal to, yeah. Now let me check. A print A in C. Does A belong to C? As it is, PUC is there anywhere? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
So what must be the expected result here? True or false?
False.
Very good. So now A not in C? True or false?
True.
True. Very good. So now B in C? Does B belong to C or not?
True. Yes, ma'am.
True, ma'am.
So does B not belong to C?
False.
False.
False. Now let's execute and see. A in C is false. Then A not in C is true. B in C is true. B not in C is false. And previous errors we have not removed. No? So to not to execute such statements, okay, what do we do generally? To put a comment. Then it will not be processed. आगे समझ में खुशवंत. Okay, ma. So that in the output,
Yes,
you see, when you are executing, no. So you can see without error, it will proceed to the next line. So here it is error, no. So what I do, instead of deleting it to make you understand that statement also, I just want you to note down in your notebook. So for that reason, I'll keep it. Okay. So C+5 line का भी error है ना. C+5 कहाँ डाली मैंने? This one. Okay. So now I don't want to execute them. So then my result will be clear. Output में no error आएगा. ठीक है? So now you can see no. Is it clear to you, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you want to use some format symbols, okay. So percentage S is used to string conversion. Percentage I for integer के लिए, okay. So percentage D for signed integer only. Percentage U for unsigned. Signed में क्या होता है ना, positive values and negative values both आता है. Unsigned में only positive values होता है. Okay. Octal is for if you want to display octal value, percentage O you can use, and percentage X for hexadecimal. Percentage capital X also for hexadecimal. Okay, percentage E or capital E for exponential notation of a floating point value. F for floating point real numbers. C for character. G for the shorter of percentage F and percentage E. Okay, so triple quotes also we can use. Just now I have shown you now here in this program triple quotes. So if you are not using triple quotes within a print statement or within a string, okay, so then it will be multi-line comment. What is this triple quote? Multi-line comment. This is single line comment na. Okay, multiple lines को comment बनाए. ठीक है? So if you want to write a statement and assign it to a string. Okay, hello world, welcome to. So next line में मुझे लिखना है welcome to Python programming. Okay, Python coding I have written. So now what will happen? You see, you can make out no here itself while typing itself you can make out. What is the problem? EOL, it is expecting at this line itself Where is the double quotes it is searching for? Interpreter is searching for. Now you can see, if I execute, what is the error? EOL. Okay, but what is my intention here? I wanted hello world, welcome to Python coding. This entire 2 lines to be a single string. So for that reason, what I can do is either I can use 3 double quotes, okay, or 3 single quotes. Then you can see now if I print yes, is there any error now? You can see no error. Now what is printed? Yes value, hello world, welcome to Python coding. Got it? So that way you can create multi-line strings. Okay, so multiple lines, if it is assigned to a string variable, within triple quotes it should be. That entire paragraph, this entire thing is str1. आगे समझ में? Right. Suppose if you want to capitalize this entire string, okay. So now let me go to here only. Computer का display करेंगे. Print. Capitalize C. What is the error? C dot capitalize, not capitalize. C dot capitalize. Now we can see where is the output. Let me take small letter here. Then now let's execute. Okay. Now you can see first letter is capitalized. Got it, ma'am? So C actually is all small letters we have. Capitalize will give you, will capitalize the first character. Okay. Now length function will give you, length already we have done, in the range also we have done, right? So now let's see title case. So title case will change the first character to the capital letter. Okay, so capitalize किया तो भी first character capital हो गया, title case में भी first character capital हो गया. But in the lower versions, no, capitalize will be making the entire string capital. Okay, now upper. C dot upper. Upper will give you change the all the lowercase characters to uppercase. Okay, ma'am. So you can see no entire string. So computer the all characters are converted into uppercase. Next, print C dot lower. Okay. Now let me write here so that you can distinguish. Computer एक लाइन में लिखूंगी, second लाइन में साइंस लिखूंगी, ठीक है? So this is multi-line string. Now let me show you result. So first capitalized में क्या हुआ? Only first character is capitalized. Title case में क्या हुआ? हर एक word का first character is capitalized. Upper case में क्या हुआ? All characters became capital letters. Lower में क्या हुआ? All entire string became small letters. Are you following? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How many times? The occurrence of a given character is there. So how many times C dot count? How many times C is there will count. Okay, count C. But here one error is there. What is that error? Can anyone rectify that error here? Okay. So how many times C is there in the computer science? First 1, okay, 2, 3. How many times? Count has given you 3 times. Yes or no? You can see. Can you all see, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So next, find substring. Okay. So now, okay, so print, same thing on that, right? But here instead of count, what do? I'll do find. It will give you, if it exists, what is the first occurrence? Where is the first occurrence? Right. So in the 0th index. Got it, children? आगे समझ में? Did you understand or not? See, for example, वो starting, वो अगर है तो where does it exist? Okay, that index. You can see where is wo at the first index. Okay. Suppose if I am writing A is this string? Yes or no? A is there in the strings. Computer science के अंदर ये character है.
No, ma'am.
No, na. So then what should I get? What do we get? -1. -1 is to indicate does not exist in the given string. Okay, ma. So now, if you want to replace, okay. So replace. What do we do? All वो को A से replace करेंगे, ठीक है? Now you see, C dot replace. Okay. What do we want to replace? वो को A से replace करना, ठीक है? So कंप्यूटर में वो बदलना चाहिए, ठीक है? So now, तो हमने डिस्प्ले नहीं किया, लेकिन बट फाइंड का आंसर वेट C dot replace. Now you can see, now A is there at 1. Previously O was there at 1, index 1. Now O is replaced by A. Now let me, after replacing, we haven't displayed, no. Print string after replacement. What is that? C. Now you can see, children. So string after replacement of O by A, computer has become computer. Yes or no? Computer science का हो गया computer science. Now A is there in this string or not? Yes. At what location? First index. Okay. Let's execute. Let me show you. Is alnum. So that is alphanumeric character. Okay. So print C dot all num. Okay, so is alphanumeric character. C is all num. Right. Now print is alphabet. This is functions and all will result in either true or false. Okay. So if string consists of only alphanumeric characters and no other symbols, then it will return true. For example, here I'll give you C or example D, some D is equal to, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these are all alphanumeric characters. Yes or no? So this will be D is having all alphanumeric characters or not? Let's check. Now you can see is all num, first one is false, but second one is true. Second one में क्या क्या दिया है? Only alphanumeric values, but alphabet only. It is treated as alphanumeric characters. The first string there is no number. In the second string numeric characters are there. Then is alpha. Okay. So now is alphabet. So now here only we will is alpha. Is alpha. Is alphabet or alphanumeric character? Is alpha? Is alphabet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this false. But if you look at is alpha, so is alpha C false, is alpha D false. Only alphabets are there. If C में आपका space भी है ना, some special characters are there. So if it is only alphabets, then only this will be true, children. Okay. So now let me give some other, otherwise A dot is alpha. So let me give you A is equal to A, B, C. Okay. So now let us execute and see. Now ABC is only having alphabets. So is alpha of A true or false? True. Because all characters are alphabets only. Okay. So any other special character or any other number, any other character is there, then alpha will result in false. Similarly, is lower, all lowercase characters. Okay. Is numeric. So only numeric characters are there. Is space consists of only space characters. Is title, if it is in title case. Is upper will result in true if it is all characters are in capital letters. Any doubts, children? If you are keeping quiet, I'll be just monotonously going on. So any doubt? No doubt. Yes or no? Are you following, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Similarly, see here strip method is there. This is if at all any leading and trailing characters are there, same characters, repeated characters, we want to remove them, or extra spaces if you want to remove them. Then we can use strip method. Just strip means both sides. L strip is left side, R strip is right side. Okay, ma. Split method will return list of strings as splitted. Okay. So, like see, computer science now 2 strings now here in this case. So now C को split करके दिखाएंगे. Okay, C to be split, and I just want to print the result of that split. So now what is the result? You can see, no? What is the result? Computer एक word हो गया, science एक word हो गया. ठीक है? Like that, if you want to split function can be used. Then partition, that is on the first occurrence of the substring. See, for example, B को पार्टीशन कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? सो कहाँ तक? COMP तक. ठीक है? सो देन COMP तक पार्टीशन हो गया. I will give you one more here. So let me give you some B is equal to, welcome to Python programming. Okay, so here B dot partition up to Python. Okay, ma'am. ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करना. ठीक है? So now I just want to print this result. So now what will happen? Programming नहीं आएगा आपको. ठीक है? Welcome to Python programming. Now you can see this has become a tuple, whereas computer science has become a list. So partition will be giving you tuple. Okay, so now how? Okay, ends with, it will return true or false. Bool means it will return a true or false. Ends with, see whether it ends with a given substring str. Okay, so if string ends with a substring, okay, S1 starts with a substring S1. So now count substring, how many times it occurs, that substring occurs in the given string. Count we have shown, you know, just now I have shown you. Rfind is highest index from right side. Okay, so find is lowest index. Okay, find is lowest index, Rfind is highest index. Is it clear to everyone, children? So shall we wind up here? Strings. Any doubt? You can just ask me any doubt if you have any doubts. If you have no doubts, we'll wind up here. Okay, shall we wind up here? I'll just share the file in Teams. You can just practice and all this. Yeah. So today we'll wind up the strings here. Then tomorrow we will be starting our list topic. Here I'll be sharing the file. Very slow. Any doubts, children? Now he is joining Sayan. What's the time now?
Ma'am, can we leave?
Yes, ma'am. So what's the time now?
I'm almost 140.
Yeah, we'll wind up here. That's what. So practice, children. All this I'll be sharing. If I don't know if this hang up here. So after going home also I can share. Yeah, tomorrow we will be starting our new topic. Encourage all other to participate in the attend the online classes, children, especially. See, 8:30 class is there. See, someone is trying to join now. It is not good now. So you can encourage one another. And half yearly will be from 17th, 16th, 17th. Have you gone through the schedule?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, God bless you all. You can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, leave this hand. Oof. പിന്നെ പ്രാർത്ഥന flip a clip. second.